Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I would like to show you how I did this cute half up style. Super easy, no braiding skills needed. What you need are bobby pins and a little hair tie. These are the pins I'm using, so prepare them and let's get started. I just use some water to tame my flyaways, and then it's easier for me to handle my hair, which is quite thick. So it's combed, and now I'm taking a strand from both sides and just bringing one side over the other. You don't need any braiding skills, you just have to bring a strand with your finger over the other and then grab from the other side another part. So bring over, wait there, and insert more hair from the other side. So you always come from one side and then grab from the other side with the same finger that goes through. And I'm doing this in the middle of my head, there where I normally have my middle parting. So go over, wait there, and hold with the finger while you bring the hair from the right hand side over. Now again, from the right side, you add into the hair that is there already some hair, and go over to the left hand side, and this is like you do a twist, just getting hair from both sides without twisting it fully around. It's just bringing it over, and then you do this until all the hair that is attached to your scalp is incorporated in two strands. So I'm missing perhaps two more steps, so one time from the left and one time from the right. And now I'm doing a rope twist braid. So I'm flipping the hair over, turning it to the right, and then bringing it over to the left. Turning it to the right, bringing it over to the left. This helps that nothing unravels. Now I have slightly layered my hair, and then ends are sticking out, but with the water everything sticks together. You can use also gel, spray gel, whatever you are more comfortable with, but I like to use as less product as possible, so I'm using water, and then later I tame the flyaways or hairs that are sticking out with some hairspray or some bags, whatever you like. When you reach the end, just secure with a tiny elastic, and this is the braid. Now I'm using hairspray, so everything keeps in place and I can smooth down some loose hairs. And if you want, you could leave it actually like this, but I want to do an updo, so I'm turning and now bringing the end of my not braided braid under the one that I have on the head. You can hide it underneath, and then you just put bobby pins above and secure everything in place. This is why it looks like perfectly done updo, where you do not see that there was a ponytail once. And then on the very top, the last one, if you have longer hair, it could be that you have to fold twice, and then the hair will be a bit higher. Now check if you like everything, if you need any more bobby pin, and this is actually the final result. Let me know in the comments down below, where would you wear this hairstyle, if you like it, or what you would like to see in the future, so that I can prepare any tutorial that you would like to see. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm coming back here once or twice a week with a new tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.